A store gathers some demographic information from their customers. The following chart summarizes age-related information that they collected. So the number of customers under 20 are 98, between 20 and 30 are 56, between 30 and 40 are 72, between 40 and 50 are 57, between 50 and 60 are 64, and then 60 or more, that's 81. So if one customer is chosen at random to give away a prize, what is the probability that the customer is at least 40 but no older than 60? That's part one. So remember that probability is equal to the number of successes divided by the total. Okay, so the probability is the number of successes, however we define a success. Divide that by the total. So the first thing we need is how many total customers do we have? And if we add these up, we add up 98 plus 56 plus 72 plus 57 plus 64 plus 81, we get a total of 428 customers. So that is going to be our denominator, which is the total. Now the numerator is however we define the number of successes. So in the first part, we define a success as any customer who's at least 40, which means more than 40, but no older than 60. So basically, you want the customers that are between 40 and 60. So older than 40, but no older than 60. So if we add up the number of customers between 40 and 60, that's 57 and 64, which is 121. So that's how many successes we have. We divide that by the total, which is 121 out of 428. Part B, what is the probability that the customer is either older than 40 or younger than 20? Now the word or serves as a plus sign. So we're going to ask ourselves, how many customers are older than 40? So older than 40 are going to be 57 plus 64 plus 81. All these customers are older than 40. If we add up the ones that are 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and 60 or older, that's going to be 57 plus 64 plus 81, which is 202. Now younger than 20, that's going to be 98. So we add up 202 plus 98, that's 300 customers out of a total of 428. Lastly, what is the probability that the customer is at least 60 years old? So at least 60 means 60 or more. That's just 81 customers out of a total of 428.